Hi, my name's Ranch.
Hi, I am Reena. Today we are going to talk about demineralization of our teeth. So our enamel has got minerals. Which ones?
Calcium.
Calcium and phosphate. So these are our teeth and they have calcium. Now we eat lots of things all day and some things are good for our teeth and some are not. So we want to see how some of the food react with our teeth, right? So we're going to do 24-hour experiment, but we can't use our teeth, so we can use eggshell. So eggshell has got calcium in it, in its shell. So we're gonna put the egg in different types of foods or liquids and see what happens after 24 hours. So this is our 24-hour experiment. So Rianshu, what we have got in the first experiment thing?
Water.
So this one has got water and we put one egg in it. Second one?
Coffee.
So we put 1 spoon of coffee in the water, stirred it,
Mix it up.
And put one egg in it.
Yeah.
And what's the third one?
My favorite Coke.
Yeah.
Then the last one is orange juice.
Yeah. So this is what we did last night. And all the experiment is ready. Now we have to see after 24 hours what has happened to the eggshells.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we see that now?
Yeah.
So the first thing is, shall I tip it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the water goes in.
We're going to put the water in.
Yeah.
Now we're going to check the egg.
Yeah. So this is the original egg in this plate. So it looks almost the same, right? So we're going to put this one in front of this. Now the second one is
coffee.
So I'm going to tip the coffee. And then what we have got? This egg. It does look very dark, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It looks darker than the one which was in water. Now third one?
Coke.
Coke. So Coke goes in the bin. And now we get egg out.
Eggy waggy.
And we're gonna put it there. And last one is?
Oranges.
Let's see what happens.
My second favorite one.
Yeah. So this is, we have got. Yeah. So look now. So the one which was in water looks okay.
Yeah.
The one which was in coffee
definitely got darker.
Yeah, very dark. And then the Coke, that's got also dark. And this one is the orange.
Got lighter.
Look, what's that? Look, if I touch it, the shell is coming off.
It came soft.
Yeah, it has become soft. It is very soft. So that means there was some reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah. And all the minerals, all the calcium has gone from this eggshell with the orange juice. So guys, even you can do that in your home. Yeah?
Yeah.
And if you drink your orange juice, try to drink it with the straw.
Yeah. Because if you let it touch on your teeth, your animal gets weak.
Yeah, this is going to happen. Shall we check what has happened with the Coke? Yeah, Coke is also, Coke has also taken some calcium off. And the coffee, yeah, you check. Coffee hasn't done that much damage. It's just the coloration, right? Yeah. See?
Yeah.
So when we scratch the egg, which was in coffee, it doesn't leave the mark. So that means the mineral hasn't worn off. And this is the water. So Rianshu, what do we prove by this experiment?
That to always brush your teeth 2 times a day for 2 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, and when you drink something like orange juice or Coke, they're going to damage your teeth.
Drink it out of a straw.
Yeah, out of a straw, or whenever you have to drink it, just rinse your mouth with water afterwards.
Yeah.
Good?
Bye.
Bye-bye.